Hey, 10 jaw-dropping facts community. Today's topic is the 8 best buy now, pay later apps. Can you guess what the top 8 companies are? Let's begin. Number 8. Splitit. Uses the existing credit of your credit cards. No credit check. Payments for 3 to 24 months. Why we chose it? Splitit is our choice for the best Bnpl app with no credit check. Instead of issuing you more credit, Splitit uses your existing Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or UnionPay credit card to make purchases. Pros. No applications, credit checks, or registration required. Uses your existing credit card limits. No need to worry about approval for new credit. Cons. You must have a credit card with available credit. Does not build credit beyond normal credit card use. Not available with Amex cards, merchant dependent. Splitit is a publicly traded company based in New York City and founded in 2012. It has partnered with Wix, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Shopify, and more to expand its offerings. With Splitit, customers can continue to use their Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and UnionPay credit cards to earn rewards on their purchases and pay over time with no interest. Splitit does not charge consumers any interest or fees, including late fees. Obviously, interest can still be charged by your credit card company. Number 7. Zip. Zip's Pay in 4 plan is available anywhere Visa is accepted when you download Zip's mobile app. It also partners directly with some stores, including Sears and Best Buy. How to get approved? Zip performs a soft credit check. Beyond that, the company doesn't publicly share how it approves customers. It will likely depend on whether there are sufficient funds available on your debit or credit card, your history with Zip, and the purchase price. Payment schedule. Zip uses the Pay in 4 model. Your purchase is split into 4 equal installments to be paid every 2 weeks, with the first due at checkout. Interest. Zip charges an installment fee for using its Pay in 4 plan. This fee ranges from $4 to $6, depending on the purchase amount, and it is essentially interest. Fees. Zip charges a $5, $7, or $10 late fee for missed payments, depending on the state you live in. Number 6. Sezzle. Credit limits vary. Soft credit check. 4 payments over 6 weeks. Why we chose it? Our choice for the buy now, pay later app with the best flexible payment plans is Sezzle. Sezzle sets itself apart by allowing customers to reschedule payments to give themselves up to 2 weeks of additional time. Pros and cons. Pros. Push payments up to 2 weeks later. First reschedule per order is free. No interest on purchases. Cons. Requires 25% down payment upon purchase. Additional payments aren't rescheduled if you don't select option. A fee for additional reschedules. Number 5. PayPal. Per transaction limit of $1,500. Soft credit check may be needed. For equal payments. Why we chose it? PayPal Pay in 4 is our choice for the best small purchases buy now, pay later app because it focuses on transactions of $30 to $1,500. Pros. PayPal is a familiar brand name. Interest-free payments. Can use at millions of online merchants. Cons. Maximum purchase of $1,500. Not available in all 50 states. Each purchase requires an approval decision. PayPal is one of the original online payment processing platforms for person-to-person payments. It has been expanding to in-store and online purchases for years and is now one of the most recognized payment options among consumers. Pay in 4 is available at millions of online merchants such as Nike, Best Buy, and Target for transactions ranging from $30 to $1,500, making it our choice for small purchases. Number 4. Afterpay. Credit limits start at $500. Soft credit check, no minimum score. Purchases are split into 4 equal payments. Why we chose it? The best buy now, pay later app for students is Afterpay because it utilizes smart credit limits to ensure customers can afford to pay for purchases. There is also a virtual card in the app for in-store purchases. Pros: smart credit limits help you stay under budget. Sends reminders so you don't miss a payment. No fees when you pay on time. Cons: Afterpay may decline your order. Late fees can be as high as 25% of order amount. Each purchase must be approved by Afterpay. Afterpay, founded in 2014, is an Australian company that operates in its home country, New Zealand, the UK, EU, Canada, and the US. It now has 20 million customers from around the world. It works with about 144,000 merchants, so customers have many choices for shopping. Number 3. Apple Pay Later. Apple offers a pay-in-4 plan available at any merchant that accepts Apple Pay online or in-app. Users can apply for Apple Pay Later in the Apple Wallet. How to get approved: Apple will conduct a soft credit check as part of its application. Apple has not released any other approval criteria. Payment schedule: Apple offers a pay-in-4 plan, which divides your purchase into 4 equal installments at checkout. Interest: Apple doesn't charge interest for its Pay Later product. Fees: Apple doesn't charge fees, including no fees for late payments. Number 2. Klarna. No predefined credit limit. Soft credit check. For equal payments. Why we chose it. Klarna is our choice for the best buy now, pay later app for large purchases because it offers up to 24 months of financing and its virtual card numbers can be used at any online or in-person retailer. Pros: easier to get approved for higher amounts and you can pay in 6-month installments. Can be used wherever credit cards are accepted. One-time use card numbers provide enhanced security. No interest or fees when payments made on time. Earn rewards with its Vibe loyalty program. Cons: each purchase must be approved by Klarna. Klarna was founded in 2005 in Sweden. It has since expanded within Europe and to the US and boasts 147 million active customers and over 400,000 merchants across 45 countries. However, you can now use Klarna to turn any purchase into smaller payments at every store that accepts credit cards. Klarna does not impact your credit when using the pay-in-4 option. Number 1. Affirm. Purchase limit of $17,500. Soft credit check to pre-qualify. Payments of 3, 6, or 12 months are typical. Why we chose it: Affirm is our choice for the best overall buy now, pay later app because it has no fees of any kind, not even a late fee. For transactions that do charge interest, Affirm charges simple interest, which means that your interest charges won't compound and grow larger. Pros: no late fees. Make purchases online or in-store. Choose the payment schedule that works for you. Purchases up to $17,500. Cons: some transactions charge interest. Most transactions require a credit check. No physical credit card. Affirm is a publicly traded company that is located in San Francisco, California and was founded in 2012 and has served over 12 million customers. Customers can borrow up to $17,500 and pay over time with no interest or interest rates from 0% to 36%, depending which payment plan they choose. These are best buy now and pay later apps. These apps will help you make the right decisions when it comes to buying things and paying it off without getting a high interest rate like a credit card. Please comment below what buy now and pay later app do you use and why. Do not forget to subscribe to the Top 10 Jaw-Dropping Facts channel. And new episodes release every Monday through Friday.